Welcome to my channel, Amazon Top Picks. Let me introduce the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus Cordless Vacuum. The Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus Cordless Vacuum IZ376H Charcoal is a lightweight, rechargeable stick vacuum designed for versatile cleaning on carpets and hard floors. Weighing under 8 lbs, it features HyperVelocity suction for powerful debris and pet hair pickup, a self-cleaning PowerFins multi-surface nozzle to prevent hair wrap, and a 10.4-inch cleaning path for efficient coverage. Key technologies include FloorDetect, which auto-adjusts brush roll speed for optimal performance on different surfaces, and Dirt Reveal, a blue LED light that illuminates hidden dust and dirt. It boasts HEPA filtration with an Anti-Allergen Complete Seal, capturing 99.97% of particles, 0.3 microns and larger. The removable battery offers up to 40 minutes of runtime in standard hand-vac mode, 3-hour charge, with easy conversion to a handheld unit, plus included crevice and upholstery tools. A 0.3 quart dust cup and LED headlights enhance usability. Pros: exceptional suction excels on everyday messes, fine dust, and pet hair across floors. Smart FloorDetect and Dirt Reveal simplify deep cleaning without manual tweaks. Lightweight design and easy hand-vac conversion boost maneuverability for quick tasks. 5-year warranty adds value. Cons: 40-minute battery may fall short for large homes, requiring mid-clean recharges. Small dust cup demands frequent emptying during heavy use. Lacks a flexible wand, limiting under-furniture reach compared to pricier models. Overall, it's a strong mid-range option for small to medium spaces, blending innovation with reliability. 5/5 rating. 248.WDU. Thanks for watching. To purchase the item, simply click the link below. If you enjoy our channel, please subscribe now. You will not miss any future videos.